Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet and this is where I talk about silk flowers and weddings. This is part 4 of my personal wedding flower series. In the previous video, I have already covered how to add ribbon to your boutonnieres and how to wrap the stems of boutonnieres with ribbon. If you want to learn more about that, here's the link to the video in the top right corner and I'll put the link in the description box below. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 ways to embellish your boutonnieres. I know we all want everything to be special on the big day or at least have some sort of themes going on. So how can we add some pizzazz to our boutonnieres to make them look extra special? Without further ado, let's dive into it. Number 1. Lace trimmings. If you like rustic, shabby chic, then you may want to consider adding lace trimmings to your boutonnieres. Here I have some vintage ones that would work well for a rustic country wedding. Now I will show you how you can wrap the stem of the boutonniere with a wider piece of lace trimming. Number 2. Nail charms. Nail charms are tiny in general and they come in all sorts of shapes. Find some that suit your theme and that could add a fun element to your boutonnieres. Here I have some delicate stars that could work well for a celestial wedding. Number 3. Beads. Beads are also very versatile. Here I have some 8mm acrylic pearl beads that could easily add some shimmer and elegance to my boutonnieres. Number 4. Jewelry charms. Like nail charms, they also come in a lot of different styles. What I like about them is that they already come with holes for easy wiring. I particularly like charms with alphabets for personalizing the boutonnieres. And usually I would make a ribbon bow for my charms to sit on. Number 5. Rhinestones. It is obvious, but if you love blings, you can get charms with rhinestones to glam up your boutonnieres. Number 6. Buttons. Again, they come in many styles and they come with holes for easy wearing. For this demo, I have a gold vintage style button. I have wired it and put it in the boutonniere just like a rosebud. I think it's a nice way to add gold in boutonnieres since we don't get golden flowers in nature. It will go very well with lavish Baroque style weddings. Alternatively, I could also put it on a ribbon bow. If you found this video helpful for you, I would really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions or topics requests, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Number 7. Patterned ribbons. I know I have already talked about ribbons last time, but 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻 doesn't always need to reinvent the wheel. There are so many different kinds of ribbons out there, and you can easily find one to complement the theme or look that you're after. Here I have a gingham ribbon for this demo. I can imagine it would go very well with a fun garden wedding reception. Number 8. Metallic ribbons. It's the easiest way to add some glam to your boutonnieres. You can get ribbons with metallic edges for a little bit of glam, or go full on glam with ribbons woven in shimmery yarns. Number 9. Velvet ribbons. Velvet ribbons can add a warm and sumptuous feel to winter weddings. Number 10. Jewellery wires. Jewellery wires can add decorative lines to your boutonnieres. They come in various colors and have shimmery finish on the surface which could glam up your boutonnieres. Here I've used floral wire covered in pink floral tape for this demo. So that's 10 ways to embellish your boutonnieres. I hope this video has inspired you to think a bit more into the details when planning your wedding flowers. Now that we have finished talking about flowers for men, in the next video I will talk about wrist corsages for the ladies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Click the link and I will see you over there.